welcome back to Gugu's Kitchen, and if you are new here then hello and welcome. My name's Alexis and I post 2 videos a week on a Tuesday and a Thursday at 7 AM. So if you love a recipe video like this one and you want to see more, then please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And now I'm going to share with you how to make my delicious roasted butternut squash. As I just mentioned, today I want to share with you how to make my delicious roasted butternut squash, Parma ham and sweet cinnamon salad. Now this recipe is really easy to do, and I thought as the sunshine is on its way, summer is nearly here, a salad would be a perfect dish to share with you. This one is really tasty and it's really easy to cook and prepare as well. I'm going to be having it for my lunch today, and of course while I was making it I thought I'd share the recipe with you. So here is how to make my delicious roasted butternut squash, Parma ham and sweet cinnamon salad. To start the process I'm going to preheat my oven to 200 degrees. While my oven has been preheating, what I have done is I have peeled and sliced and diced half a red onion. Now the reason I'm only using half a red onion is because I'm going to be serving this to myself. In the original recipe I think I said 4 people, but as it's only me eating this for lunch today, I'm going to quarter or half the ingredients. So I've done half a red onion because I actually love red onion. I really like cooked red onion as well. And I'm going to put that into my baking tray like so. This is a Pampered Chef baking tray. And this has been preheating in the oven while the oven has been heating up too. So it's slightly warm at the moment. And now I have probably about 1/4 of a butternut squash that I'm also going to add to my baking tray, like so. And then I'm going to pour over some olive oil, like so. And then I'm also going to sprinkle over some ground sweet cinnamon, and in this bowl I have some dried mixed herbs as well. So I'm going to try and sprinkle those into the oil, and I'm just going to grab my oven gloves and I'm going to mix that around like so until everything is covered in the oil and the spices and the herbs. And now I'm going to add in some salt as well, so I'm going to give this a couple of pinches of salt, and this will just help to bring out the flavour in this food. Salt helps to bring out flavour and it makes everything so tasty, I have to say. And I'm also going to sprinkle over a little bit of pepper as well. Salt and pepper to your taste, so however much or as little as you want. I only like a little bit, so that's what I'm going to give myself. And then I'm going to toss these ingredients together again, and then I'm going to put my Parma ham on top of those ingredients, and I'm going to put this back into the oven now for about 30 to 40 minutes, or until the butternut squash is a lovely golden brown colour. The butternut squash and the Parma ham have cooked in the pan. They are looking a lovely golden brown colour, so I'm going to take this out and add this to the quinoa now. While the butternut squash was cooking in the oven, I boiled up some quinoa and I added some kale to that as well. And now all I'm going to do is just simply add the butternut squash to the top of the kale. Oh, it smells really nice, I have to say. You can really smell the cinnamon and the butternut squash together, and they smell really nice together, and I know that they taste really nice as well. So yeah, I'm just going to add these ingredients to the top of this salad, and then all I'm going to do is put the Parma ham slices on top of that, like so. And that is my lunch done. That's how you make this delicious salad, and that recipe I will link in the description box below for you. As I mentioned earlier, I'm off to have this for my lunch now, and it smells so good. I can't wait. So for now, that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and please feel free to leave any comments below. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you all soon. Bye.